What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how I'm making money with affiliate marketing. So first of all, let me show you some of my results. I'm going to refresh this page. So this is my affiliate dashboard for Freedom Accelerator. This is the product that I promote, and I promote this high ticket product through the 72-hour challenge. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm promoting a main core offer, which is a high ticket product. And this is for the make money online niche, specifically for high ticket affiliate marketing. So check this out. I have sent to this company 142 referrals. I have right now 22 customers and $872 in unpaid earnings. This company pays 40% commission, and if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. So these are the links in which if someone buys something, if they buy the product, I can make that commission. And if I click on payouts, you can see that I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this product. So by the way, if you want to learn the skills on how to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Now, that being said, I'm going to show you, this is the product that I promote. So this is the love ticket product, the 72-hour challenge, which is basically, you can go through these lessons in 3 days. So the number one is affiliate marketing success stories and why it's so important to build your own email list. Day number two, Jonathan is going to explain how to build this automated sales system. So what is this? So this is a sales funnel that works 24/7. So once we have built that system, we need to start sending traffic to it. And some of those people are going to buy products from us. If we can drive like a lot of customers, we are going to get results. But if we don't work on building the system, and also if we don't work on driving customers to that system, we are not going to make anything. So that is important to say. And on day number three, Jonathan is going to explain how or what are the methods that we can use to drive traffic. So, and then if people want to take their affiliate business for the next level, they can access Freedom Accelerator. So check this out. So for example, from this lesson, so phase number one, the 4 phases to freedom and building an automated sales system. So basically here, you're going to learn how to build this system and also how you can utilize Jonathan Montoya's 7 figures affiliate marketing business by using his own software, which is Funnel Freedom. I'm going to show you in this video the system that I'm using, that I built using 2 softwares, ClickFunnels and GetResponse. But if you don't want to build this system by yourself, you can basically copy and paste his done for you 7-figure done for you system and start working with it. I'm going to put another link in the description for that as well. That is the Funnel Freedom free trial. So you are going to have access to a 14-day free trial, so you can check that out if you want. Now, once we have built that system, we need to start sending traffic to it, and that is why he teaches from this lesson to this one, phase number 2, which is, those are basically traffic strategies. So how to build faceless artificial intelligence videos, how to use Instagram, how to use Facebook Reels, how to close sales, for example, on Facebook Messenger. And phase number 2, which for me is one of the most powerful lessons that we can learn from him, how to basically use YouTube and use it as an automated traffic machine so we can generate leads from YouTube. So my main commissions, you can see all of these results. So these came from my YouTube channel, which basically I'm creating content, I'm talking about my journey. Let me show you guys. So here I have a part in which I'm documenting my own journey. So check this out here, documenting my journey. And for example, I'm recording a video and said, for example, day 144, becoming financially free. I'm doing freelance digital marketing, and today I learned for example, how to drive traffic to my sales funnel. So I'm going to put, for example, this one so you can check it out. Check this out. Basically, I'm creating this content and I'm reaching more people.
Guys, day 144, becoming financially free. So I have recently, I have seen that I started to make.
So I'm recording this content on my YouTube channel, but I'm uploading that same video on Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and my own TikTok channel because I'm growing that social media as well. But more importantly, I'm growing my YouTube channel by creating these YouTube Shorts. And YouTube is sharing these videos with more people, and some people are resonating with my own story, which I'm a chemical engineer, I have an MBA, I was working in a 9 to 5 and all that stuff, and now I have this affiliate marketing thing and I started to make commissions, but I struggle because I'm struggling with that because I'm not making like enough money, and I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and that is basically what I'm doing, and I'm recording on my own YouTube channel, and I'm reaching an audience, and some people are resonating with my own story. So let me go here, and as you can see, I have as well content about reviews. So I created, for example, a Freedom Accelerator. This is a review about Freedom Accelerator because I bought the program, and I'm talking about the things that are important for people who are going to buy this program. For example, this is a comparison between Savage Super Affiliates from Franklin Hatchett versus Freedom Accelerator from Jonathan Montoya. And as you can see, I have here all of these videos, all of these reviews in which I'm documenting basically my own process. I'm recording this content about the things that I'm learning throughout this journey of creating this affiliate marketing business. And basically that is what I'm doing, guys. And I'm just doing that, and as you may notice, I'm not even an English speaker, so my native language is Spanish, and I'm growing this YouTube channel in English. So that is like the real proof that this system works, because I'm growing my own personal brand on another language, and I'm making commissions by promoting English products, and sometimes I struggle to talk in English. So that is the real truth. But I'm making commissions, and I'm showing you that it's possible if you put in the work, guys. So that is super important. So one of the things that I have learned throughout the years, because I have been trying this business model for a while, so since 2017, and basically it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate marketing commission, guys. So that is important for you to know that sometimes it takes time to start getting the ball running, running. But when you get to the momentum, it's more easy to start getting those commissions for the products that you are promoting. So for me, I like to promote products that I believe. I'm promoting products that I bought. For example, I bought Freedom Accelerator, and I'm promoting this training. I bought as well Secret of Success, which is a success mindset training of Russell Brunson, which is the creator of ClickFunnels. I bought that training, and I'm promoting that thing as well. I'm promoting GetResponse because I have been using this software for many years. I'm promoting ClickFunnels. I'm promoting Funnel Freedom, which is Jonathan Montoya software, because I tested it out and I made my first commissions in less than 30 days. That is basically my strategy. I like to promote things that I have bought and I know that are going to help people. And I'm talking about those things on my own YouTube channel, guys. So sometimes when we are starting out like this affiliate marketing thing, so it's kind of difficult because sometimes we believe that we're going to make those commissions like right away, and that for me, I never did like a super fast commission. Also, when I started to promote this program, Freedom Accelerator, I didn't make commissions like in the first month. It took me a while to start getting these commissions. So check this out. For some people will say, "Hey, $75. That's not too much. 76, 62." But right now, $872. So it takes time, guys. It takes time to start to get the ball rolling. But when you get to momentum, it's going to be like more easier to. It's going to be easiest to make these commissions. Now let me show you quickly my automated sales system, because this is super important. So basically I'm using this software, the name is ClickFunnels, and here you can see that I have here all these funnels, and I'm going to show you, for example, this one, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. So basically a sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And I'm driving traffic to this page. This is a capture page. And why is this capture page so important? Well, because so people will land on this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, they will see a picture of the ebook, my own picture as well. So here I told something about me, that I have a master in business administration and I have a chemical engineer degree, and I'm an affiliate marketer as well, right? But more importantly, I'm building my own personal brand, because I want people to know, like, and trust me. That it's like, dude, so I bought this product, and this product helping me to like do this A, B, C, and D, right? And check this out. And if you want to buy it from me, that's okay. And if you don't, that's okay too. Now, I have a picture of this ebook as well, because this is the lead magnet. We, as an affiliate marketers, we need to give something in exchange for the email. So in this case, I'm giving away this free ebook that I didn't create. This ebook was created for Jonathan Montoya. And when people click this button, check this out. I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. So, and this information is important. Why? Because the more emails I collect on my lists, the more money I make. Because having and building my own email list is like having my own traffic source. Because driving traffic to our sales funnel, it takes time, effort, and sometimes, if you have the resources, we can pay for it as well. So as you imagine, it takes time, effort, and also it takes money sometimes. But once we have built that email list, I can send an email to my email list and promote any product that I'm going to know that are going to help those people. It's like having this. It's like having like this is an instant traffic source that we have as an affiliate marketers once we have built this email. So that is why it's so important, this capture page. Now, this sales funnel has 3 steps. That was step number 1. And step number 2, which is the second page, I tell people that, hey, please check your email because I'm going to send an ebook through email. And the third step is the last step. This is the bridge page. So this page is important as well, because here I'm bridging the gap between the company and the buyer, because I'm presenting myself. Basically what I'm doing here is that I'm explaining through this video what are the next steps that people need to take. And if people click this button, get started today, they will go exactly to this link, guys, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page, this one. And if they buy the product, I can make a commission in the front end. So this is called the front end of the sales funnel. Now, not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to capture the lead, the email, that information, because I'm using this software, the name is GetResponse, and I'm going to click on tools, then on automation, because I'm going to show you my email sequence. And I have this email sequence that I'm using to promote my main core offer, which is Freedom Accelerator, and I'm promoting as well supporting offers. I'm promoting software, but also I'm promoting the links of my YouTube videos from my YouTube channel. So check this out. When someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Accelerator, get response is going to send these two emails. Then it's going to wait 1 day to send the email, the email number 2. It's going to wait another day to send the email number 3, and so on and so forth. Get response is going to send all these emails, and inside of the emails I'm promoting, for example, here I'm promoting my YouTube channel, here I'm promoting a supporting offer, which is TubeBuddy. That is a software that I'm using for keyword research. Then check this out. I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge. I'm promoting the secret of success. This is a supporting offer. I'm promoting, so here I'm giving away a free course, and then this is an email without any links. I'm only giving value to people, and I have here all these emails. So check this out. I have here this one to promote Legendary Marketer. This is another high-ticket product that I promote as an affiliate marketer. And what I can do here is that I can add more emails to promote more products if I want. And this is called the backend. So basically, guys, that is the strategy that I'm using to make the commissions with affiliate marketing. So, and it takes time, guys. This is not, some people say that affiliate marketing is easy. I can tell you that it's not easy because we need to learn the skills. First of all, we need to learn the skills on how to build this entire ecosystem by ourselves if we want. But if you don't want to build this ecosystem by yourself, you can check Funnel Freedom, which is Jonathan Montoya's software, in which you can copy his entire you can copy and paste a done for you funnel, 7 figures done for you funnel. So it has all the emails, it has the lead magnet, it has the capture page, it has the lead magnet is a free course, it has the Northern sequence. So basically we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of one page and then start sending traffic to the funnel. Why am I talking about Funnel Freedom? Because I have that software as well, and I know that works right, guys. That is the real truth. Now, my main source of traffic is YouTube. So check this out, this YouTube channel. So basically, I'm creating content, I'm putting my affiliate links, I'm putting my links, basically my links of my funnels in the description. So for example, in the description of this video, you are going to see many links. So I have put links there for my sales funnel. I have put my affiliate links for example, for a free training. I have put links for affiliate. I have put there as well the link of my affiliate link for Funnel Freedom. I have put my affiliate link as well for TubeBuddy. So basically, guys, YouTube is a great way to promote the products that you know that are going to help people. And basically, you just need to start creating content, build your YouTube channel, and have that persistence and discipline to create content every single day. If you don't want to pay for ads, if you have the resources, you can learn the skills on how to pay ads, Google ads or Facebook ads or TikTok ads, whatever platform you want to learn, and utilize that platform to drive customers to your sales funnel. So basically, this is my strategy, guys. This is how I'm making commissions with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and talk to you soon, and God